An update on that 2013 Charger with a hemi in it. Cylinder deactivation. This one has. That's when they shut down so many cylinders on the highway, and it runs like a 4-cylinder until you step on the gas and you demand more power. Well, as you saw, it was tapping and then knocking and then the banging. There it is, y'all. Lifter come completely apart there. The roller just came off. Probably at the bottom of the oil pan right now. So that's what it's supposed to look like, y'all. The roller's supposed to be there. Okay. Best thing to do, folks, is put the camshaft and all of the lifters in if you have this problem. If you didn't run it a long time, you may be able to get away with doing a lifter and a set of lifters. Alright. My experience, all the years working on cars, I'm gonna say you wanna keep your oil change. These hemis, particularly these hemis, I don't know about the ones from the 60s and back in the day. These burn oil as you drive. So, you know, if you're gonna drive past your oil change due mileage or month or time, you might want to add a couple quarts to it, because they will use oil as you drive. They will, you know, be down to 4 quarts, sometimes 3 quarts of oil. You'll be low on. So they do burn oil. Another thing to note with this engine, the exhaust push rods are longer than the intake push rods. Okay, line them up so you can see with your own eyeballs. Okay, the exhaust push rods are longer than the intake push rods. So you put it back together. Doodly note, don't have them switched around. You're gonna have a problem. Something go bang and go boom. One more thing I want to gripe about. AutoZone, tell y'all something. Don't make me call the business bureau on y'all. Don't make me do that. Every time I buy a box of these gloves, your employees, they dig into the side of them. You know, this is what they doing. If I'm buying 100 gloves, I want 100 gloves AutoZone. Well, if you're going to keep selling them like this with the side of the box ripped open, because your employees are nipping into them, hey, give me 10% off. Yours truly, Dancing Mechanic, 10th floor, we out.